1. What is the size of the Ram Lalla idol sculpted by Arun Yogiraj to be placed in Ayodhya's Ram temple? A. 51 feet. B. 51 meters. C. 51 inches. D. 51 centimeters. Right answer is C. 51 inches. 2. What is the name of the Chadapta-style AI service set to be launched by Reliance Industries? A. GP Tech. B. Rally. C. Hanuman. D. Chat Reliance. Right answer is C. Hanuman. 3. Where was the 36th annual flower show hosted? A. In Noida. B. Delhi. C. Pune. D. Goa. Right answer is A. In Noida. 4. Who became the first woman scientist to win the GD Birla Award for Scientific Research in 2023? A. Professor Homi Bhabha. B. Dr. Radhika Gupta. C. Dr. Neha Singh. D. Professor Aditi Sende. Right answer is D. Professor Aditi Sende. 5. When is International Mother Language Day celebrated annually? A. 21st January. B. 21st February. C. 21st March. D. 21st April. Right answer is B. 21st February. 6. In which city was North India's first pizza ATM introduced? A. Mumbai. B. Delhi. C. Chandigarh. D. Jaipur. Right answer is C. Chandigarh. 7. Who has been honored with France's highest civilian award, the Chevalier de la Légion d'Honneur? A. Shashi Tharoor. B. Gerard Larcher. C. Anurag Singh Thakur. D. Fumio Kishida. Right answer is A. Shashi Tharoor. 8. Which of the following persons in the Indian Army received the Vishisht Seva Medal? A. Tarun Kumar H. B. Havildar Varinder Singh. C. V. M. Bhuvna Krishnan. D. Arvind Walia. Right answer is B. Havildar Varinder Singh. 9. Where was the Khelo India University Games launched by Anurag Singh Thakur? A. Mumbai. B. Kolkata. C. Guwahati. D. Chennai. Right answer is C. Guwahati. 10. Where is the 1 lakh Bharat Mart initiated by the Prime Minister of India for enhancing exports located? A. New York. B. London. C. Paris. D. Dubai. Right answer is D. Dubai. 11. In which city did the multinational military exercise Shanti Prayas 4 commence, involving representatives from 19 countries? A. Kathmandu. B. Bangkok. C. Colombo. D. Dhaka. Right answer is A. Kathmandu. 12. Which fintech startup has partnered with 5 Indian banks to introduce a virtual ATM service? A. Fiinco. B. Paymart. C. Cashtech. D. Bankeys. Right answer is B. Paymart. 13. Where was the 11th International Puppet Festival hosted? A. Chandigarh. B. Delhi. C. Mumbai. D. Kolkata. Right answer is A. Chandigarh. 14. Where is the Indus X Summit scheduled to take place? A. New Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Bangalore. D. Kolkata. Right answer is A. New Delhi. 15. Where did the Prime Minister inaugurate educational projects worth 13,375 crore rupees including 3 IIMs, IITs, 20 Kendriya Vidyalayas, 13 Navodaya Vidyalayas, and AIIMs? A. Mumbai. B. Delhi. C. Varanasi. D. Jammu. Right answer is D. Jammu. 16. Which Indian state has declared the Bhupeshwar forest as its fourth biodiversity heritage site? A. Kerala. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Karnataka. D. Odisha. Right answer is D. Odisha. 17. Who has been appointed as the Joint Managing Director, JMD, of Kotak Mahindra Bank? A. Nikhil R. Meswani. B. KVS Manian. C. Rishad Premji. D. Sashidhar Jagdishan. Right answer is B. KVS Manian. 18. Which company completed the purchase of Orchid Cybertech Services for 24.75 crores rupees? A. Infosys. B. Tech Mahindra. C. Wipro. D. Tata Consultancy Services. Right answer is B. Tech Mahindra. 19. What fighter jet fleet is undergoing a 6,000 crore rupees upgrade by HAL and DRDO? A. Sukhoi. B. Mirage. C. MiG. D. Rafale. Right answer is A. Sukhoi. 20. In which city is the 12th edition of the Milan Naval Exercise taking place? A. Mumbai. B. Chennai. C. Kolkata. D. Vishakhapatnam. Right answer is D. Vishakhapatnam.